In this video, I'm going to show you how you can exclude applications or websites from TunnelBear VPN. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you wish specific websites to be excluded from IP change on TunnelBear VPN, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and log into your Tunnel VPN, and you can see currently my VPN is on. However, I wish to exclude some platforms, and to do so, go ahead and click on this icon that is just above settings, and if you click on it, you should see this option called Split Bear. Here you are asked to add applications and websites that will not be protected by TunnelBear. Now if you turn this on, you can either add an application or a website. For my case, I want to add a website, and therefore I'll go ahead and add netflix.com, and then just click on add here to add it. Should you want to add another one, you can go ahead and, for example, I want to add youtube.com, and if I click on add, now it will be added among the platforms that will not be protected by TunnelBear. So that's how you can exclude applications and websites from TunnelBear VPN. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.